Hello everyone, it's me Sam. Today I'm going to show you how to create graphics by using Canva website. So Canva is a graphic design tool website that uses a drag and drop format and provides access to over 1 million photographs, graphics, and fonts. So Canva can create business cards, logos, flyers, banners, brochures, infographics, book covers, mock-ups, and more. So today in our tutorial, we're creating a website banner for a business in our city. So here, let's start. Okay. So to start with our graphic banner, we just prepare some of the things that we're going to use in our design. So we're just gonna use the images from the website and also the content or the text that are necessary in our banner and the logo for the business. Okay, so let's go to the website by typing canva.com, then press enter. So here we're going to log in some credentials in order to start our designing process. So for me, I'm just gonna use my Google account for this tutorial. Okay, so we'll wait for a few seconds and then here it is. Okay, so since we're creating a website banner, so let's try to check and search if there are available website templates. So let's try to search a website. Okay, so there is one result here that has a 1250 pixels by 650 pixels. So it is basically for a website banner. So let's try to click that one and then it will be redirected into another website or another page specifically for editing. So we're just gonna close our home page and let's focus on this one. First things first is to rename our design. So we try to rename it as a website banner. Then done. The next thing to do is to upload all the necessary files that are required in our designing process. So click the upload an image button, then select all the images that you are going to incorporate in your design, then click open or you can press enter. So now here it is now uploading and we'll wait for a couple of seconds or minutes to upload all the files in our repository online. So the next thing to do is to find or browse for templates that will fit on the website banner that you want to incorporate in your business. So go to templates, then let's try to search or find out some designs that will fit on our business. So let us say, for example, we'll try to pick this design. Maybe not. Okay, so let's try to find another design for our website. So let's try this one. Oh, not again. So let's try to find another one, maybe this one. Okay, so let's pick this. Okay, so I've chosen this image or this template because there are 4 actual images there. So these 4 images will reflect or replace the 4 types of rooms that my business are having. So let's start by replacing all these 4 images. So go to uploads, then try to drag your first image across this one to replace the old one. Okay, that's the easiest thing you can do in Canva. The next thing is to add another or the second image and replace it to the second frame, then the third image, the third frame, then the last image for the last frame. So that's the easiest part in Canva designing. So let's maximize that one, let's hide. Then now let's proceed to the text. So for the text, I already provided here the content that we're going to use. So we have here the header, let's copy the text, then paste it here. And for the content or for the paragraph, let's replace it with this content, copy, then paste it here. They are done. Next thing is to place the typographic logo at the top of our banner. So let's try to click this one, then place it here. The problem is its dimension. So in order to resize our image, let's try to click on the nodes here, resize it, then place it at the top, then make sure it is in center align. So I guess that will be good, so we can just resize that one, then place it at the center. Now let's add another logo at the bottom here. So let's click on the iconic logo, then same process, resize it to make it smaller, then drag it over here. So after that one, make sure that our font styles or families coincide each other. So maybe the Dormital in Town text are more modern, so we'll just try to add some condensed font that will fit on our branding. So let's try to search here the fonts available in Canva. So for this, I'm gonna pick this one, Antonio Bold. So I guess it's more similar to Star Dormital text, I guess. So now let's try to resize the text in order to make it in a single line. So now let's adjust the font size into, I guess let's try 40 or 36. Okay, not working, so let's try this 32. Okay, so that's it. Now let's try to add or resize the points of this text so that it will be readable to our audience. So let's try this 14 or 16 so that it will be larger and be more readable to our reader's eye. Next is we can customize or drag the position of our image. So very easy, double click the image, then you can just drag that one to replace, resize, or drag it perfectly for whatever you want to do. So now we're done with our banner. It's very easy. The next and last part in our Canva website is to publish and download our banner. So go to publish button, then click download. In our download files, we have the PNG file, the JPEG file, the PDF standard, and the PDF for print graphics. So since we are dealing with a website banner, so maybe we can just select JPEG file since it has a small file size image that will perfectly for a website. So click the JPEG, then click download. So we'll prepare our design to download, then here it is. So click on the website banner.jpg, then we have now our final website image and we can place that one in our website. So that's the easiest thing to do in Canva. So thank you guys for watching my another tutorial. So hope that you guys learned something from our tutorial today by using this Canva application. So thank you for watching.